Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. It's real late right now. It's like almost 10 o'clock, but we're meeting somebody up actually at 10 o'clock. And we're gonna actually go do some quick fun runs and just test out. It's another Mark 6 GTi, and we're just gonna go have some fun runs. We'll see how it goes. It's gonna be my first video of kind of doing this type of thing, so gotta kind of get in the hang of it, I guess. So yeah, well, see you guys when I meet them, I guess. Alright, this is Dan. You're Dan, right?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you. Alright, we're just meeting up, seeing if we get some runs in. This career, are you running it? You gonna run it? Lame. And she has a 3.8, right?
No.
Is it 2.0? Oh, it's a 2.0 turbo. The G over here. What you got done with your G? What you got done with your G?
Just come back exhaust.
What is it?
Just exhaust.
What?
Just exhaust.
Exhaust? Oh,
Yeah.
you like test pipes?
No.
No, I mean test pipe, just the muffler?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I raced it.
White pipe and compact.
I raced that dude with a test pipe. He was not tuned, and oh, my plan is I'm just gonna like mess with him for the first like 2 runs or something like that. Just be neck and neck, like or try to be next to him and see what he thinks, and then we'll like on the 3rd one we'll actually give him the beans. So we'll see. Power difference between everybody, and like I think all of them are pretty similar, right? I feel like they're pretty close to each other. I think the G37 probably will beat. He's a G37. Yeah, he's a G37. He probably would beat Dan by just a bit. I think.
Maybe a little bit.
Have you seen them run?
No. They haven't run yet.
I think here you can hold this.
Okay.
I think they would. Or I think he'd be just by a little bit. I don't know about the Honda yet, but I definitely know that he probably would be just a little bit in front of him because when I was running him, like. Dan was like way far back. So. How did it feel being in the passenger seat? Did it feel like it was pretty fast? Did it feel faster than the last time you were on? It felt faster,
yeah. Most definitely.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, what? So.
Yeah, well, that was like, I think the first time you were in the car was the first time I got any kind of tune for this turbo. And now we're nearing the end of this turbo, so.
Dang.
So that, I mean, from the jump, I mean, it's probably like 100 horsepower since the last time you've been in here.
Yeah, definitely. I can definitely feel a difference.
Yeah.
For sure.
I mean, we're putting some space between these guys, so. So I think right now I'm just following one of the guy with the G37, and I think he says there's some places that have some straights, and then we gotta make our way to get her car eventually at where we met up. Mm-hmm. So we'll see how that goes.
Hopefully no one breaks into it.
Yeah, I have my food in there, man.
I have my car.
Okay. No, fuck your car.
my carbon fiber. I don't want,
True. Neck and neck. want to see it. I want to see that launch.